Okay, level 4s is I can solve distance formula equation. So here, like in level 2s where we had one endpoint and the midpoint, and you have to find the other endpoint, it's kind of the same with the distance. You're given the distance and you're missing some coordinate of the endpoint. So if we've got the diameter of the circle below, so I'm going to draw a picture of a circle. That's pretty good. We have the diameter here is going to be A3 and 6, 9. And this measures 10 units. Find all possible values of A. So I know that the distance is 10, so I'm going to set my distance formula equal to 10 and set up my equation just how I would if I knew both endpoints. So A minus 6 squared plus 3 minus 9 squared. And then I'm going to simplify it. So 10 equals the square root of A minus 6 squared plus 36. And now again, to undo a square root, you're going to square both sides. So this is going to be 100, and those are going to cancel out. So you got A minus 6 squared plus 36. So you can do a couple different things. You can isolate this term that's squared, or you can multiply it all out. I'm going to go ahead and isolate it. So I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. And I'm going to be left with 64 equals A minus 6 squared. And again, if I square root both sides, I'm going to cancel out that squared. So when I do that, this becomes 8 and negative 8. So I'm going to set up two equations. 8 equals A minus 6 and negative 8 equals A minus 6. So then if I solve both, A will equal 14 and A will also equal negative 2. Now you can solve it the other way that I was talking about without the square roots. So if I come back down here and multiply it out, I'll show you that way too. So 100 equals A minus 6 times A minus 6 plus 36. And I'll multiply this out and simplify it. So A squared minus 12A plus 36 plus 36. And if I get everything equal to 0, so I would have 0 equals A squared minus 12A minus 28, and now I'm just going to factor it and set it equal to 0. So A minus 14 and A plus 2 will get me that. So A will equal 14 and A will equal negative 2. So same answers, two different ways to solve it, but both are okay and both will work. So those are level 4s where you're given the distance and you have some missing point in your endpoints.